Have you ever felt that mid-afternoon slump? That moment when your energy just drains away, tired and uninspired? We hunt for a lift, a natural boost to carry us through the day. Imagine finding that boost in a simple, golden sprinkle. This magical ingredient is called nutritional yeast. Delicious, versatile, and surprisingly nourishing. Savory and almost cheesy, it can transform simple dishes into something special. And beyond taste, it helps your body unlock energy from the food you eat. So, what exactly is nutritional yeast? It is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, the same species used for bread and beer. But here, it is grown as a food product, not for leavening or brewing. Cultured on cane sugar or beet molasses for several days. It is harvested, washed, then heated to deactivate the yeast so it can no longer grow or ferment. Deactivation turns it into safe, ready-to-eat flakes or powder, packaged and sold in health food shops and many supermarkets. In the plant-based world, friends call it nooch. Savory, nutty, distinctly cheesy. Nooch delivers deep umami without dairy. Make creamy sauces, cheesy toppings, and rich soups. Not brewer's yeast. Nutritional yeast is grown for food. Pleasant and palatable. Naturally gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free. A simple, pure ingredient with delicious flavor and powerful nutrition. A fantastic pantry staple whether you are vegan or plant-curious. One reason nooch is a supercharger: its concentration of B vitamins. B vitamins power your body's energy production. Think of them as tiny spark plugs in your engine. They do not provide energy directly, but they convert food into usable fuel. Too few B vitamins can leave you sluggish, tired, and foggy. Key members include thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, vital for metabolism. The superstar in fortified nooch is vitamin B12. B12 supports nerve health, DNA production, and red blood cells. Because B12 is mostly in animal foods, vegans must plan for it. Fortified nooch fills the gap. Just a tablespoon or two can meet daily B12. Consistent B intake supports steady, long-lasting energy. No crash, just clarity. Beyond vitamins, nutritional yeast is a brilliant plant-based protein source. Protein builds muscle and bone and supports healthy skin and hair. It aids repair, enzymes, hormones, and immune strength. Protein helps you feel full and manage cravings and weight. Nooch contains all 9 essential amino acids, a complete protein. It complements varied plant foods to cover your spectrum. A couple tablespoons add several grams of high-quality protein with no fuss. Many brands also include minerals like zinc and selenium, plus fiber for gut health. Combine complete protein, B vitamins, and minerals, and you get a true nutritional treasure. Popcorn loves nooch. Savory, cheesy, addictive, and nourishing. Use it like a seasoning, over pasta, soup, or avocado toast for instant umami. Stir into mash or blend into soups for velvety, cheesy undertones. Add to breading or roast veg for a golden, cheesy crust. Mix into hummus or white bean dip for depth. Try savory oats or a tofu scramble, protein and a cheesy kick. For a quick weeknight favorite, creamy nooch pasta. Heat olive oil, gently cook garlic. Keep it fragrant, not brown. Add unsweetened plant milk and 3 heaping tablespoons of fortified flakes. Whisk until creamy. Season with salt and black pepper. Toss cooked pasta in. Loosen with reserved pasta water as needed. Optional spinach to wilt, then serve with a final golden sprinkle. Indulgent and wholesome. Typical serving: 1 to 3 tablespoons per day, plenty for flavor and benefits. Choose fortified if you are vegan to cover B12. Avoid if you have yeast sensitivity. If you have IBD like Crohn's, consult your doctor first. Store cool, dark and dry in an airtight jar. It lasts for months. Pick up a small bag or shaker, start with a teaspoon today, and feel the steady energy. Subscribe for more plant-powered recipes.